Question number 1. In what year did Robert Hooke first observe a cell? Answer. Option B. 1665. Question number 2. What was Robert Hooke examined when he discovered cell? Answer. Option C. A thin slice of cork.
Question number 3. What is the limit of resolution of the human eye at a distance of 25 cm? Answer. Option B. 0.1 mm.
Question number 4. Which type of microscope uses a beam of electrons instead of light? Answer. Option C. Electron microscope.
Question number 5. A nanometer is equal to. Answer. Option C. 1 billionth of a meter. Question number 6. If a microscope has a 10x eyepiece and a 40x adjective lens, what is the total magnification? Answer. Option C. 400x.
Question number 7. Which term refers to the ability to see two very close objects as separate and distinct? Answer. Option B. Resolution.
Question number 8. Which of these is not one of the three main features included in modern microscopes? Answer. Option D. Color saturation.
Question number 9. What instrument is needed to see ribosomes clearly? Answer. Option D. Electron microscope. Question number 10. The basic level at which life exists is the. Answer. Option C. Cell. Question number 11. The cell membrane is also known as the. Answer. Option B. Plasma membrane. Question number 12. Which property allows the cell membrane to let some substance pass while blocking others? Answer. Option B. Selective permeability. Question number 13. In the potato experiment, why does the piece in plain water swell? Answer. Option C. Water enters the potato via osmosis. Question number 14. The movement of water through the selectively permeable membrane is called. Answer. Option C. Osmosis. Question number 15. A solution with a higher solute concentration than the inside of the cell is called. Answer. Option C. Hypertonic. Question number 16. What will happen to a cell placed in a hypertonic solution? Answer. Option C. It will swell. Question number 17. What are the two main components of the cell membrane? Answer. Option B. Lipid and proteins. Question number 18. Why is the cell membrane described as fluid? Answer. Option B. Molecules can move sideways and rotate within the membrane. Question number 19. What act as gatekeepers in the cell membrane? Answer. Option C. Proteins. Question number 20. What is the approximate thickness of the cell membrane? Answer. Option B. 7 to 10 nanometer. Question number 21. Which of these is not found in animal cell? Answer. Option C. Cell wall. Question number 22. The plant cell wall is primarily made up of. Answer. Option C. Cellulose. Question number 23. What is the main function of the cell wall in plants? Answer. Option C. To provide rigidity and withstand environmental stress. Question number 24. When a plant cell loses water and its membrane pulls away from the wall, it is called. Answer option A, osmosis. Question number 25. Which stain is commonly used to observe onion peel cells? Answer option B, saffron. Question number 26. Which stain is used to observe human cheek cells? Answer option B, methylene blue. Question number 27. What is the shape of the typical onion peel cells? Answer option C, box shaped and regular. Question number 28. Cellulose in the human diet act as. Answer option B, roughage fiber. Question number 29. Which of the following organisms have a cell wall? Answer option C, bacteria. Question number 30. Why do animal cells change shape more easily than plant cells? Answer option B, they lack a cell wall. Question number 31. Which organelle is known as the house of coded instructions? Answer option C, nucleus. Question number 32. What is the name of the dense round body inside the nucleus? Answer option B, nucleolus. Question number 33. Functional segments of DNA are called. Answer option B, genes. Question number 34. Which organelle is the site of protein synthesis? Answer option C, ribosome. Question number 35. The powerhouse of the cell is the. Answer option C, mitochondrion. Question number 36. Which organelle is responsible for packaging and shipping materials? Answer option B, Golgi apparatus. Question number 37. Lysosomes are often called the cleanup system because they contain. Answer option C, digestive enzymes. Question number 38. Which organelle contains its own DNA and ribosomes? Answer option C, mitochondrion. Question number 39. What is the energy currency of the cell? Answer option C, ATP. Question number 40. Which plastic gives flowers and fruits the bright orange or red colors? Answer option C, chromoplast. Question number 41. Cells that lack a well-defined nucleus are called. Answer option C, prokaryotic. Question number 42. In which region is the genetic material found in a bacterial cell? Answer option B, nucleoid. Question number 43. Which type of cell division produces two genetically identical daughter cells? Answer option C, mitosis. Question number 44. How many daughter cells are produced at the end of the meiosis? Answer option A, 2. Question number 45. Which type of division is responsible for creating genetic diversity? Answer option B, meiosis. Question number 46. In humans, where does meiosis occur? Answer option C, reproductive organs. Question number 47. What is the typical lifespan of human red blood cell? Answer option C 120 days. Question number 48. Errors in mitosis can lead to uncontrolled cell division and the formation of. Answer option C tumors. Question number 49. Who was the famous Indian scientist known for his work on chromosomes? Answer option B Arun Kumar Sharma. Question number 50. What is the name for growing cells outside an organism in nutrient-rich media? Answer option B cell culture.